This is the direct sleeve we applied, and we have conducted peel test. This is very excellent value. We got excellent values here, and now we are going to repair the Direct heat shrink sleeve after conducting the peel test. So what are the are you happy with this application, sir? Are you happy?
Yes.
Yes. Are you happy? You are happy? Yeah. Okay. Now we are going to conduct repair here with PERP 60E. For Directs, you have to use this one actually, PERP 60E. This is the repair patch for Directs, and this is S1182 filler mastic. This is called S1182 filler mastic because we have to fill this gap with that filler mastic. And after that we have to apply repair patch PERP 60E. Already we have taken cut piece from the roll. So Mr. Varley person is witnessing the same, and he is the QC manager from the subcontractors, and these are the applicators, experienced applicators, these two guys, and they are applying the repair patch now. Okay, I will show you this repair procedure. Please start. So preheat inside, yeah, fill the filler mastic, yes, fill the filler mastic, okay, hit it, take the scraper, hit it and spread it, fill it. So why we are using filler mastic? Filler mastic, that means to fill the gaps. That is why it's called filler mastic. Take more filler mastic. That's why it's called filler mastic. For Directs or HDD sections, you have to use S1182 filler mastic. For Directs, for HDD sections, you have to use S1182 filler mastic. Is it clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So now they filled that one. Okay. No, not enough. Okay, that's enough. Okay. Please heat and apply. They fill the gap. Okay. They are spreading. They are filling the material, filler mastic. Okay. Now use roller. Use roller. Very good. Use roller. Very good. Okay. Okay. Now heat and apply the patch. You remove that liner. In the PERP 60E, there is a liner. This is called liner, PERP 60E. You will not find the same material, same liner in PERP 80. But in PERP 60E, you will get liner here. Okay? Okay, heat inside. Heat the pipe here. You check the temperature. Wait. Temperature. You check the temperature. Now the temperature is more than 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, no problem. You apply the patch now. Okay, you heat inside the patch at the same time. This is adhesive side. Take a position on the PERP patch as marked. Already we have marked here. Heat from the inside now. Okay. So the PERP 60E is having PCI. The dots are called PCI. The PCI should be disappeared. Okay. Heat from the top. You see, when you are giving the heating, the PCI should be disappeared. Oh, that's good. Very good. You see? Okay. The adhesive has to come out from all the directions, and the roller should be applied from the center to top, center to bottom, center to left, and center to right. Okay, apply the roller. Okay, you apply the roller from the center to, yeah. You can use another roller otherwise. Okay, the adhesive is coming outside, you see. The adhesive has to come outside. You see here? Yeah. You can use another roller otherwise. You take the fresh one, yeah. Very good. From center to top, center to down, center to left, center to left, center to left, and center to right. Yeah.
Good job.
Again heat the patch. Again you have to melt the adhesive inside the adhesive. So that's why heat again. Okay, heat again. Heat again. That's fine. Okay, apply the roller. You see, actually this is the trial joint. That is why we have not, we didn't get the 50 mm overlap. Okay, actual cutback is 110 mm, 100 mm, but here actually they prepared 150 mm cutback. These are the trial joints. So I am conducting trialing here. I am qualifying the applicators. That is why these are the trial joints. That is why we didn't get 50 mm overlap on 3LPE. Okay, so these are the training joints. Clear, na sir?
Yes, very good training program.
Yeah, thank you very much. Okay, so the adhesive has to come outside from all the directions. The corners should be cut like this. The corner should not be sharp. There should not be any sharp corners. Okay, that's good. Now you apply the scraper and close the corners. Okay. Okay. Okay, close with the scraper. Hit and close the edges. So the same procedure we have to follow on HDD 3L PE section also. The same procedure. We have to maintain 50 mm overlap from the damaged location, all the directions. The same process we have to follow on 3L PE as well. Okay. Are you happy, sir?
Yeah, very happy.
Are you happy? Are you happy? Good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Good application. So this is PURP 60E application on Dyrex sleeve. The same method we have to follow on HDD mill coating. I mean HDD section also. I mean like 3LPE also. This is 3LPE. Okay. Thank you.